All right, guys, this is the Tafari tuning in live. We're heading to the grocery store here in Wildwood, New Jersey. We're gonna be picking up some ITAL ingredients. This is some exclusive information that not many people are displaying on the web. So hope you guys enjoy it, and we're gonna be cooking tonight also, so check it out. Guys, we're gonna go for the jumbo shell tofu pasta marinara, okay? So we're gonna go for the low sodium marinara sauce. This actually has no salt, but it just says low sodium because tomatoes are high in sodium. So this is a good find. These are from New Jersey. Local find right there. And then we're also gonna go for the jumbo shell pasta, non-GMO. This is a good find. It's on sale too. No salt. Guys, next we're gonna go for this non-GMO soy tofu. We're gonna add this to the shells. Here you go. Made with non-GMO soy, low in sodium.
No salt.
No salt. So we're gonna grab 3 of these puppies.
No sodium chloride either.
No sodium chloride.
No preservatives.
Alright, guys, next we're gonna go for some fresh basil. $3.69 on sale. Non-GMO. Read it and weep. Guys, now we're gonna pick up some spices to pep up that store-bought marinara. We got parsley, roasted garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. All non-GMO, vegan. Alright guys, we're back at the crib. We just picked up the ingredients from the grocery store. We're gonna start to cook them up. If you guys want to pick up one of these shirts, the link is in my bio. It's thetafaridesigns.com.